In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ACH direct debit in your Stripe account. This process is straightforward and should take only about 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First off, you'll want to go to Stripe's official website, which is stripe.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to reach the home page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on that sign in button and it will take you to a new page where you can enter your login information. So go ahead and type in the email and password associated with your Stripe account. Remember to keep your login details secure and avoid sharing them with others. Once you've entered your credentials, proceed by clicking on the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Now you need to navigate over to the home section. It's usually indicated in the menu, providing you with an easy reference point to manage your account's core activities. With that done, your next step is to find the settings option. This is often represented by an icon resembling a gear or a similar identifying image. Click on this to access a variety of configuration options available to manage and optimize your account settings. Now under the settings menu, you'll see a category labeled product settings. Within this category, select the option for payments, which allows you to manage how you handle transactions on Stripe. Then you will see an entry labeled payment methods, which you should click on to get more details about different payment options available to you. As you scroll down through the payment methods page, you'll eventually come across the section specifically for ACH direct debit. This section is where you're going to enable or activate ACH payments. Scroll until you've located it. Finally, to activate ACH direct debit, there will be a toggle or switch you can turn on. Activating this will allow you to start accepting ACH direct debit payments from your customers, which can be an efficient and cost-effective way to handle larger transactions, given the lower fees associated with direct debit processes compared to other payment methods. And there you have it. You've now successfully enabled ACH direct debit on your Stripe account, ready to facilitate transactions seamlessly and securely. This new setup will provide your clients with another convenient payment option, which can help streamline